video, I'll be showing you how you can promote courses on Stakecut. So if you're one of those guys who is an affiliate, or you want to be an affiliate marketer and you're looking for a good platform to promote courses, to make commission, to make money for yourself, so in this training in this video, I'll be showing you how you can promote courses on Stakecut and make money for yourself. So as you can see on the screen right here, that this is my account on Stakecut, though I've not been active on Stakecut, but though I'm a vendor also on Stakecut. I recently listed one of my courses on Stakecut. So but this is just an affiliate commission I received from Stakecut, as you are seeing on the screen. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can promote courses on Stakecut, and the course you need to promote and things you need to consider before diving into Stakecut platform that you want to promote a course as an athlete. Because once you promote a wrong product, it's going to be difficult for you to make sales, and it's going to be difficult for you to make the money that you are looking for in Stakecut platform. So guys, I will show you how to do that. So what you need to do, if you're not an affiliate already, or if you have not signed up an account on Stakecut, there is a link at the description of this video. Just click on the link to sign up an account on Stakecut. It's completely free. You're not paying a dime to sign up an account. But if you decide to upgrade your account, there's no issue on that. You can just go ahead and upgrade your account. So let's dive into the video. So before you can begin to promote an account or to promote a course or a digital product on Stakecut, there are some things you need to consider. Are you getting me? There are some things you need to consider, or you need to put into consideration, which is very, very important, and which I will be outlining them for you right here in this video, so that you can take note of those things and know how you can work with them and how you can pick the right product that you can promote and get good conversion. Because when you pick a wrong product, it's going to be difficult for you to get conversion, and it's going to be difficult for you to earn the money you are looking for. Now, the first thing you need to consider before you want to promote a product, you need to consider the conversion rate. Though on Stakecut, you may not be able to have the conversion rate, that is the sales unit, unlike other platforms like when we have Waro Plus, when we have JV Zone. When a course creator lists a product and there are sales that are already going on, you are going to see the sales unit of that particular course. Let's say for that course has been listed, and that course you see that 200 sales has come into that course, you are definitely going to see the sales unit of that course. That is number of sales that has come in, the numbers of sales that that course has made. Are you getting me? You're going to see. But on Stakecut, you are not going to see something like that. But I'm going to guide you how you can choose the right course that is going to get you good conversion, so that you can make the money you are looking for. Like I said, number one thing you need to consider the conversion rate of that course. The conversion rate, is that course selling in the market? Are people buying it? So many people has this belief that affiliate marketing has been so rampant. Everybody is promoting affiliate courses, and there's so much traffic into that niche. Yes, it's so much. There's so much traffic basically in that niche, because that niche is making sales. People are making money from that niche, and that niche, people are buying courses. So you're not going to say because affiliate marketing is so rampant and so many people are promoting it, is not legit, it's a scam. It's not legit. It's not a scam. Affiliate marketing is not a scam. Affiliate marketing is all about buying and selling. Are you getting me? So number one, you need to look into the conversion rate. The number two thing you need to consider the commission. Is the course creator giving you a 50% commission? Is it giving you a 60% commission for the course per sales? Is it giving 70%? Is it giving 80%? Is it giving 95%? Is it giving 35% commission or 40%? So you need to look into that before you pick a course. And what I mean by 50% commission or 60% commission, it means that for each sales you make, you are going to earn 50%. Let's assume you are picking a course on a web design, or you are picking a course on blogging, and that course is selling for 50k. 50% commission means that if you make a sales for that course that is selling for 50k, you are going to earn a commission of 25k. Are you getting me? And that 25k, you can multiply it for how many sales you make, and it can be that you make 10 sales, you multiply that 25k times 10. That is for each sales you are earning 25k, or if the 60% for each sales you are earning 30k. So that is what I mean by 50% commission. So those are the number two things you need to consider: the commission that will be given, and the conversion rate. And the third one is the course creator. Is there any promotional material as an affiliate? You want to promote a course, is there any promotional material that is going to help you to promote the course, or you're going to be the one that is going to sit down and crack or draft the promotional material? Is there any WhatsApp script for you to promote the course? Is there any mail series? Is there any Facebook ad copy that you are going to use so that the promotion of the course can be easy for you? Are you getting what I'm saying? So if the course creator does not have all those things, you know that you are going to craft all those things. And if you are not deep into affiliate marketing, definitely you're going to know that it's going to be difficult for you to craft those kind of WhatsApp scripts for class and email copy and ad copy. It's going to be difficult for you. But if those things are made available, then that one is another good win for you. So that is the the third one. Then the fourth one you need to look into is the sales funnel. Is the sales funnel good? You can have a product, but if the sales funnel is not good, you can have a good product that can change anybody's life, transform anybody's life, but if the sales funnel is very poor, the conversion rate is going to be so terrible. So you need to look into the sales funnel you are promoting, the course you are promoting. How is the sales funnel? Is it well designed? Because you don't want to waste your time sending traffic to a sales funnel, and at the end of the day they are not converting. You can send 1 million traffic to a sales funnel. If the sales funnel is poorly designed, you are not going to make more sales. Those are the things you need to consider. Now the thing is, how can you promote course on Stakecut? I've talked on those basic things you need to know. Now to start promoting a course on Stakecut is very simple. Like I said, you sign up an account, and when you sign up an account, you are going to look for a place called a marketplace. There's a marketplace. This ones you are seeing here, this is a vendor dashboard, orders and sales, my products, set up contest, this profile and all of that. Now this is for affiliate, this is for vendors, those who have courses on Stakecut. This is for them. Are you getting me? This is for vendors, this is for affiliates. So you are coming in as an affiliate, and if you are coming into as a vendor, it's pretty good, that is good. But this one, we are talking about how to promote course on Stakecut as an affiliate. Now you are coming in as an affiliate, then you're going to locate a place called a marketplace. Look at it, marketplace. Then you click on it. You click on marketplace, then you now go ahead to look for product that you are going to promote. And you can see there are so many products on Stakecut that you can promote basically. So you can see this one. Let me show you this one. So you can see this one, the new babe affiliate guide and all of that is selling for $6, and you can see the commission. Like I said, the commission is 64% commission. You see that this is what exactly what I will explain to you, 64% commission. Look at this one, affiliate marketing for beginner is selling for $8.35, and the commission is 61% commission. Look at this one also, is selling for 29.something, commission is 50% commission. So these are the things you need to consider. Are you getting what I'm saying? So, and there are so many products on this particular platform that you can promote. You can see this one is the one at the top, and you can also see this one. There are on Stakecut, there are so many products that you need to promote. But the thing is that, how do you know the course that is going to convert? That's the question. How are you going to know a particular course that is going to convert? And the thing is that, how are you going to promote it? Is there any promotional material for you? Are you getting me? Number one thing, if I'm going to guide you as an expert, I'm going to guide you that if you are new into affiliate marketing, it is very, very important to promote a course that are lesser price. Are you getting me? Don't promote calls that maybe they're selling for $30, $20, and they're selling for $40. They're selling for $40, $50, $60. Don't promote such calls if you are just starting without audience. But if you have audience, you are into this stuff, or you have audience, you can promote a course of 100k, you can promote a course of 50k, you can promote a course of 150k. Are you getting me? But if you are just a beginner, I will always advise you to promote calls that at least from $30 downward, $30, $20, $25, $16, and $6, and all of that. But the question still remains: how can you know a call that is going to convert? How are you going to know a call that is going to sell? Number one thing you need to do, you need to check in the sales funnel. First of all, before you promote a course, it is very, very important for you to check the sales funnel. Is the sales funnel properly designed? Is the sales funnel okay for you? Is it going to convert if you send traffic? Those are the things you are going to consider. So basically, I'm not going to tell you that, okay, pick this one because this one is going to convert. No, I'm not going to tell you, okay, pick this one. If you pick this one, it's going to convert. No, I'm not going to tell you, pick this one. If you pick this one, it's going to convert. No, I'm not going to tell you all of that because we actually don't know the kind of code that are going to sell. So all you need to do, come down here, pick a product that are lesser price and that is in line with your interest. Don't just go and pick a course and begin to promote that is not in your you don't have passion for. So pick a course or product that are aligned with what you have passion for, what you have interest for. That one will make it easy for you to promote. So to promote a course, just come down, click on promote, and you go ahead to promote. But in this video, I'm going to tell you a particular course that you are going to promote, that you are going to earn a good commission. And the course I'm going to tell you to promote is called the Blog Money Blueprint. Let's go in and search for it. The Blog Money Blueprint. Let's look for that particular course so that you can see what I'm telling you. You can see the sales funnel, you can see how it's properly designed, and you can see everything for yourself. So let's search for this course so that you can go ahead to promote that course. You can see the course, the Blog Money Blueprint. Basically, this course, I am the creator of this course, the Blog Money Blueprint. So what I'm going to do for you is that you can go ahead and promote this course on Stakecut. Like I said, you are not paying a dime to sign up an account, and you are not paying me a dime to promote this course. And you can see that the course is selling for just $25. As you can see, it's selling for $25. That is just 30k. That is what the course is selling. You see $25, that is what it's selling, and you can see the commission. The commission is 50%, which means if you promote this Blog Money Blueprint on Stakecut, you are going to earn 15k for each sale that you make. And calculate, you in a month, maybe you make about 30 sales, you multiply 15k multiplied by 30, you know what it is. So you are promoting this course and you earn 15k per sales that you make. And the amazing thing is that I've provided every promotional material, the affiliate resources, the WhatsApp class script, the email series, the Facebook ad copy, and everything is pretty available for you. So all you need to do is just come in here to pick the course to promote. And the cool thing is that Stakecut will be the one that is going to hold the money. Not that maybe you make sales and I did not pay you. So that one, Stakecut is in charge of that one. So all you need to do when you click on the promote, just come down here to get your affiliate link and you are good to go. You can see the copy affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. So all you need to do, just copy it either to your WhatsApp or just copy it to your notepad so that you can start to use it to promote the course. Now you can see the link, copy link for webinar. That is for JV Zone. That is for if you want to get the promotional material, everything is right here. So just the most important thing is this affiliate link. Whenever you are promoting this course, use your affiliate link. And if you're a blogger, recommend this particular course and you're going to make a lot of money for yourself. You can write article about it on your blog, you can run Facebook ad and all of that, and you'll be making a lot of money for yourself just promoting it. So what you need to do, you see the JV Zone. Let's open the JV Zone and open the sales page and see the sales page, what I'm telling you about. Because if you are promoting a course that the sales page is not properly designed, it's going to be difficult for you to make sales. It's going to be difficult. You can see the sales page. You see how properly I designed the sales page. You see the sales page is properly designed very well. That this one will give you high conversion rate for promoting this course. You can see that the sales page is 100% and brilliantly high converting sales page, that no traffic or audience that you are going to send to this page that is not going to convert. You can see everything is properly designed, that you will make a lot of sales. You can see the JV zone page. This is the JV zone page where you're going to get all the promotional material, the WhatsApp script and everything, and the support group for athletes. So all you just need to do, click on the promote, begin to promote this course, and you make a lot of money for yourself. So guys, I'm sure so far that you have learned something from this course and from this video, how to promote courses on Stakecut. So if you get value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done that, and if you have subscribed, don't forget to share this video with your friends on social media and like this video so that YouTube will get to push it up. And if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, please, I beg you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can grow this community together. So guys, I will see you again in the next class. Keep winning.